Good afternoon to everyone. My name is K Mani. That is the topic is the basic civil engineering. So how do the civil engineering is the oldest engineering discipline. Civil engineering is the plan, design, construction and operating facilities essentially to modern life. Bridges, highways, water treatment plant, etc. So civil engineering are a problem solving the meet challenges of the pollution, traffic pollution, drinking water, energy needs, urban red development and community planning. So history, oldest engineering discipline. So in the history of the civil engineering, in the beginning civil engineering including the all that did not practice engineering said to have begun to the 18th century of France. The first civil engineering was in the 1781. So satisfy this civil engineering saved the more lives all the doctors in history development water sanitary system. So relevance of civil engineering overall infrastructure development. So the importance of the for the satisfying the economy development as well as recognizing these visible things. Current short fillings including in the increasing in the roads, power, shortage of drinking water, this etc. So this is uh, the gap between this domestic and supply of infrastructures. So building or design by civil engineering by convey array structural element supporting the architectural distributions, highway distribution by the certain planning, adequately supporting the weight and stress vehicle in motion. The water resources system is designed by civil engineering that arranging the water take an airport source, water conveyance sites and water distribution network. Civil engineering designing the water disposal and wastewater treatment plant. The infrastructure development in the fundamental structures that are requiring for the community and society. This is useful to structure like road, water supply, electrical, telecommunication, renewable energy, water sources, identifications of purifications of system, cleaning water, adjustable power, which is including from all the department. Civil engineering can manage to this project related to infrastructure development. The fundamental idea less spaces and more efficiency. So all civil engineering which is the circular factor development of infrastructure. So civil engineering have a very role to play the development of infrastructure. The role of civil engineering activity, the infrastructure development can be assumed the following. A proper planning of town and extension areas in the cities. First, rate of urban and increasing in the cost of land. Civil engineering to go to the vertical growth in cities. This is result in the new building technology and analysis methods. Civil engineering has to solving the problems rural areas as well as low cost housing. The need of the however to make proper people around the own houses. Water is important need in living beings. Civil engineering have to explore into the various water resources into the water supply and to urban areas. Water is requiring for the agriculture is also. So good roadway and transportation facilities including other importance the public which is the civil engineering delivery. So other importance infrastructure activities in the civil engineering are the controlling the pollution of air and water and land. The importance of infrastructure development in country provided the protection from the drought, floods, etc. Improve the irrigation facilities, better sewage system, improve education facilities, improve the transportation and communication, generation, electricity from natural resources, various disciplines, construction engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, water resources engineering, surveying and remote sensing. All the basic civil engineering, these are the very important, the construction engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, water resources engineering, surveying and remote sensing. So construction engineering, the constructions designed to related the management of construction resources, labor, material, equipment, money and time. They applying the knowledge construction method requirement along with the principle facing planning and managing to turn the design into the successful facilities. So structural engineering analyzing and design the structure that supporting their own weight and the load they carrying the rest extreme forces, earthquake, bombing, the temperature and others. Structural engineering development airports, combination of steel, concrete, plastic and new extension materials must also consider the economic incidentally implementation of their creations. So another is the geotechnical engineering development project belong the ground etc. tunnels, foundations, platforms and containment of structure, solid and liquid waste. Analysis the properties of soil and rock supporting this behavior of structure. Evaluating potential settlement of building, the stability of slopes and fill, seepage of groundwater, the earthquakes. So geotechnical engineering. So determine the best way support the structure be ground, take in the design and construction dam, embankment and retaining walls. So another important is the environmental engineering, resolving the problem, providing the drinking water, cleaning up, containment of hazard waste, material disposing of wastewater and managing solid waste, transportation, physical, chemical and biological process into system, removing pollution from water, reducing hazardous solid waste in etc. So another important is the transportation engineering, plan, design, construction, maintaining and operated various transportation facilities, for example highways, railways, airports, etc. So upgrading our transport facilities, improving the traffic and controlling transiting system. So another important is the water resources engineering, deal with physical control of water, work with the other present floods of supply of water, protected beach or river, design and construction and maintaining the hydroelectrical power facilities, dams, pipelines, pumpings, etc. Surveying and the remote sensing. Surveying determine the position and above or below surfaces, meaning directions of measuring distance, evaluation and direction. Surveying has advantage from chain surveying, remote sensing with advance of various electronics instrument. So the role of civil engineering in the overall infrastructure development. The construction is a residential, commercial and industrial building for urban and rural area, town and city planning. So construction of roads, railway, airports, etc. Constructions of dams for properties, utilizations of water and floods control, providing the same domestic, agriculture and industrial water supply. So providing the safe water, safe waste disposal, maintaining the land, water and air pollution, take measuring control, maintaining these facilities. So classifications of building based on the occupy for National Building Code. So residential building, educational building, institutional building, assembly, business and industrial hazard waste. So these are the different in the basic civil engineering. So thank you everyone.